Contractors Company was established in 1988 and is now one of the leading general contracting companies in the U.A.E. A vast local construction knowledge and rich foreign experience, complemented by a solid business background, gives GCC deep and diversified roots, with resources and ability to complete the most demanding construction projects. GCC continues to expand and develop across Abu Dhabi and other Emirates in response to the call for the private sector to contribute to the development of the country's infrastructure. Consequently, GCC is to date recognized as a competitive, dedicated and responsible contractor. GCC is active in all of the following construction activities: civil engineering, building construction, pipelines, industrial construction, electrical installations, mechanical installations, instrumentation installations, landscaping and irrigation. GCC has mobilized substantial resources to achieve its standing and further its goals. At present, we utilize equipment and machinery worth well over 250 million dirham in replacement value, and currently we have over 2,900 people on our payroll. In addition, several affiliated and sister companies are adding breadth to the scope of activities that GCC can successfully undertake. In July 2001, GCC successfully became ISO 9001-2008 certified, further confirming the company's dedication to the core ideals of time, quality, and cost-effective projects. With an eye for quality, integrity, and customer satisfaction, GCC now has a recognized comprehensive system through which to better achieve those goals. Effective from July 2009, GCC achieved ISO 14001-2004 and OHSAS 18001-2007 certification. These new certificates are the result of the strong commitment of GCC to pursue a sustainable development model with a low impact on the environment. Our major clients include ADNOC, ZADCO, GASCO, Department of Social Services and Commercial Buildings, Department of Military Works, Public Works Department, Abu Dhabi Municipality, Abu Dhabi Sewerage Services Company, Musanada, and other governmental and private clients. Throughout our history, we've helped our clients get more from their construction investments by working closely with them. We've listened to their needs and made suggestions based on our experience to save them money and time with their projects. GCC is a pioneer in the creation of new value, meeting client needs, respecting diverse views and ideas, and honoring the relationship between humanity and the natural environment. GCC encourages open communication that promotes project success and facilitates an honest exchange of information between clients and GCC project teams. The result is each developer's particular project objectives being achieved and surpassed. GCC's mission is to create a vibrant environment for all members of society. As a company, we will be a good corporate citizen, providing high-quality service at reasonable prices. GCC has accumulated market knowledge and experience to provide a professional and efficient service at all stages of a construction project. We seek creativity and innovation in all our activities, always seeking better solutions to project requirements. We have successfully innovated across the country and in business, and we believe that our continued success depends on our ability to continue doing so. GCC embraces the advances in construction methods and material technologies to maximize the benefits for clients, providing reliable and dependable solutions using proven strategic processes. We are conservative in protecting our clients' investments and progressive in staying ahead of trends, flexible enough to adjust to fluctuating market cycles. GCC's corporate vision is to be recognized by our clients as being best in class in providing value-added, cost-effective construction services supported by innovative approaches and construction solutions. Developers and investors come to Gulf Contractors Company because we know our territories. By operating extensively in the construction of buildings and mega infrastructure projects, our locally based staff have the expertise to navigate around any obstacle and how to achieve a successful result on time and on budget. Gulf Contractors teams bring a multidisciplined approach to every project. Each is composed of well-trained, experienced specialists who understand all aspects of the building process. We believe this team approach truly embodies the concept, the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. We are experts in construction planning, materials, and utilizing new technologies. Our greatest asset, our people, bring tremendous expertise to what we do. That expertise, time and again, has translated into specific benefits for project developers. Our business is conducted openly, honestly and fairly, with our dedicated staff available at all times to address any client concerns. Quality is a cornerstone of each client's project, and we utilize all available and appropriate resources to rapidly achieve the goals of our clients. GCC is committed to constructing exceptional buildings in a clean, safe environment. This philosophy is clearly evident in all aspects of our operations. From the office to the job site, our health and safety program requires the full participation of all team members to ensure the protection of all people, property and equipment. In conformity with the prescriptions of ISO 9001-2008 and our own policies, GCC executes projects in complete accordance with contract requirements and customers' needs. Throughout every project, safety-first policies and procedures are thoroughly implemented, while also ensuring that our natural surroundings are protected and enhanced. Each project has a start, middle and completion. We begin by listening to what our clients want. We make sure we've accurately defined their needs and initiate an evaluation process that includes such factors as the client's corporate culture, business goals, critical success criteria and marketing strategies. Gulf Contractors Company is a name synonymous with innovation and excellence within the civil engineering and construction industry. A strong faith in ourselves, the courage to face new challenges, and the shared determination to achieve our goals is what makes Gulf Contractors Company a leader in the continued development of Abu Dhabi and beyond.